We are here in the class of learning today on a Friday, and everybody's tired. I don't know where it's at where you are, but we're tired. Maybe I should change my voice so I sound more like Mr. Rogers. How are you doing today, neighbor? If you hadn't done so, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. We're going to do a little function review here, but before we get started, hey, Snacks, what game is Darth Vader not good at playing? That's right, the floor is lava. Yeah, it's a smart person joke. So that's why you don't get the joke. There's 9 movies. It's not a trilogy. So, oh, that's, oh my gosh. If I was a Jedi, I would be definitely being attacked by the dark forces of the Sith right now. Okay, so this says determine where any of the following relations or functions select all that supply or apply. Supply, apply, whatever. All right, remember we have 2 ways. The X values don't repeat. Okay, so let's look at these. So in A, it looks like there's only one arrow coming. This is, remember, X and Y. Okay, so this one is 1. Okay, these 2 values repeat, so this one is not 1. And these 2 X values repeat, so this is not 1. Now, the other thing we have is the vertical line test. Are y'all trying to wonder where this is from? Yeah. Um, Well, even if you procrastinated and still didn't do it, like, I'm giving you the cheat codes. There's no reason. Yeah, we'll look at that. It could be a key thing. Now, all right, remember on the vertical line test, if every time you draw a vertical line, it touches the graph once. Okay. So if we take this vertical line, do it once, and believe it or not, it still only touches once. Okay, so these two are functions, and those are the rules why. Yep, and it passes the vertical line test. All right, now I don't think we covered this directly, but this one, let, let me tell you this: the independent is always your x-axis. Okay, it's always your x-axis. Temperature always happens. Time always happens. It's independent. Okay, so our independent would be temperature. Okay, your dependent is always your y-axis. Okay, so this one is heart rate. Now, there's 2 choices. You had 6 attempts. If you got it wrong on the first attempt and there's only 2 choices, hopefully you would figure out, oh, I just swap them. Some somebody's like, we had 6 attempts. All right. Is everybody good with 1 and 2? Anybody need more time? I need more caffeine. No. I just need to drink my caffeine. Thank you for offering your caffeine. That's very nice. But there's stuff going around Yeah, please don't do that. Okay, domain. Domain is our x values. And I just misspelled values. Everybody is like deliriously. We're all. There was a football game last night. Yeah, football. Yeah. All right. So our x values. So we are looking for these numbers. Which one of these two have those numbers? This one. Okay. Domain is your x values. All right. I'm just making sure to go over all the rules. All right. So I want to change that. I don't. Why does it not let me do that? That's ridiculous. Cheese and crackers. All right. So basically, we're going to do this right here for each of these numbers. And we're going to plug it into the calculator. So -2, 1, and 3. Somebody stole my calculator. No, it's hiding. There we go. All right. Milk will grow. Loop. So 3 parentheses -2 minus 9. And we get -15. All right. So here's a little test taking tip. We did one of these things, we got a number. In our choices, is there only how many of them have a -15 in it? Yeah, just one. So this is the answer. You technically don't have to do the other ones. Okay. A lot of people don't know that when they take like the ACT and stuff. Next one is -6. And 0. All right. But okay, this is why those people at the ACT prep testing centers, they make a lot of money because they're literally teaching you how to take a multiple choice test. It's not about content. It's how to take the test. Yeah, and there's a couple of teachers here that assign homework in like um Delta Math or Power School, but makes the students like turn in their work. Why don't you just give it to them on paper? I don't understand. All right, y'all. All right, now this function represents this. How many breaths in 20 minutes? Basically, it's just what we just did. We plug it in, we get 140. Are you sure? Oh, yep, it is 240. And I try to write with the eraser. Man, this is a great day. I mean, just awesome. I'm slay all day, man. All right. Okay, moving on. Remember the max, this is our highest point. I'm right here. All right, our highest point. Now, this doesn't have them, but this is, they actually do have arrows. Okay, so what is our max? Infinity. Yep, forever. Our minimum, this would be, guess what? The lowest. Yep. Now, notice I put on here as a coordinate point. Okay. All right. So from 0 to 2, that's this right here. Okay. What is our graph doing? Is it going up or down? Increase. Up. Does it have a axis of symmetry? This is a yes or no. Can we actually cut this thing into 2 equal parts? Yes. Okay. Now, you didn't have to do this, but its axis of symmetry is y equals 0. Chop. That way. This is, it's actually, why would it be -3? No, that's the boundary. Yeah, yeah. Oh, wait, you're talking about the next one, aren't you? Yeah. Oh, duh. All right, y-intercept is y equals -3. Okay, so now, if you can at least answer 4 of these on your own, you're good. Okay, because that's, I only asked for 3 of them on the test. Okay, and if you forget what these are, I think we covered these on Wednesday, so this is Wednesday's lesson. Uh, I would go back into Schoology, look at the video, and if you don't understand, do y'all know that y'all can actually come and see me during refuel if you have questions? Do y'all know that's a thing? It is. I'm just making sure, so when after we take this next test and y'all do the, how do you think Mr. Jeffries prepared? Well, he didn't prepare me because I didn't understand. Well, I also don't have to tell you to go to the bathroom either, but I think you can figure that one out on your own. Listen, when your laugh is very infectious and funny. That's why we look at you when you laugh, because it's all right. Shh. So on this step function, our y values are -1, -1, and 2. Which one of these 3 choices has -1, 2, and -1? Exactly. C. I can't wait till we have this one on the test next week and people will say, "You've never done these." Okay. I had somebody do that before on a test. They said, we've never went over this." And I pulled up every completed note and video and showed them. I said, "Yeah, we did. You just decided not to listen and not to seek out the answer." All right. G of 3. Well, this is G. All right. Is 3 less than 8 or greater or equal to 8? Less. Okay. We finally had somebody actually answer. All right. So we plug in 3. This becomes -3 plus 12, which is 9. All right. Now, f of 2. Well, here's the f. So I'm going to plug it in to 2. All right. If you didn't, now in the calculator, have y'all figured out that I stress using the calculator? I do. All right. You actually get 1. All right. Now I'll show you how. This becomes 4 minus this is 4 plus 1. These two cancel. Left with 1. Now, math is fun. Okay. We have a NAP test after this review in class. It's going to be amazing. NAP test. All right. So, number 9, it's doing what we just did, but graphically. So, f of -4. So, we go to -4 on the x value. We have to go up because that's where the graph is. And that y value is 4. Wow. F of 2. Okay, go over to 2. 1, 2. Okay, and we go up. Now, there's 2 points. One's open, one's closed. Which one do we go to? The closed one, yes. And that y value is 2. All right, we have a odd shape right here. Get a little wide out action. All right, so this is asking for the zeros. Okay, remember, what are the zeros? Where they cross or where did I just go? Come on. Your desktop is being recorded. Oh no, you can't see me. All right. Or touch the x-axis. Okay. Now, there could have been an issue with the key, and it's really easy to fix. All right. So this would be this one right here and this one right here. Now, I really want to go back and look at this one to see if anybody picked no one is a 0. I know somebody had to do it, even if they did it just one time for fun. All right, we go with 10. Wow, y'all silence is deafening. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to teach you math again. All right. So find the solutions of the system below. This is where they intersect. This is where, now, y'all's, it wasn't, well, on the screen it was in color, but the print is not in color. We're seeing where the red and the blue touch. Well, it touches right here at this point and at this point. That one of them is -3, 4. The other one is 1, 0. Okay, it's where they touch. All right. I don't know if like your caffeine's kicking in or you are lost in the sauce. Okay, because like when I look and your eyeballs look as big as plates. Okay, all right, that's awesome. All right, and the last one. Now, on the actual assignment in the Schoology, this is a true or false question. Okay, blah 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 table. When you see a table, look for matching points, matching X and Y. Okay, so first off, this has a -1. Does this have a -1? Nope. So, boop. Okay. It looks like these two are exactly the same. So there's a match. These are not. These are not. Those two are. Okay. These are not. These are not. And no. All right. So it says there are two solutions. This is actually a true or false statement. So this one is true. Now, if you haven't done your work yet, okay, you literally have all the answers. There's no reason that you should get a 0 on this. The only reason is you just, oh, it's so hard to click the buttons. All right. So that's it for today. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell, stay far. You can't see me, but I did a thing. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.